Today is a hot day where there's my hearing aids on. I'm shopping today. I'm show you this is the outfit I have on. Show you the environment today. Here's birds. I'll show you what I got. Not for me, for my father. For my father. This is for me. This is what I'm doing. It's blonde and dark, so why not try black? This is what my hair turned out to. And I got such a big charger. My tablet takes this side. My charger. That's what I got at the store. Bad boys. I gave this to a friend of mine. I'm gonna do this on Sunday. What else did I get? I'm trying to think. Did I use this purse today? This wallet. I'm gonna get a new wallet. How do you have this wallet? This wallet. That's everything I got at the store. I did get body wash, face wash, but I had to put that away downstairs in the bathroom. And then I got kitty treats for my cats. Big bag. Big bag was like $7. Took it all off it. Chicken, shrimp, cheese flavor. Shrimp for the cats. I don't eat cat food. Anyway, beautiful day. Beautiful, bright, sunny day. Hear the birds. So nice to hear the birds. Well, this is really sweet maple syrup. It's not just regular maple syrup. My dad loves it, so obsessed over this stuff. And get it on Christmas, birthdays, and Father's Day. So that's it. Father's Day, Christmas, and birthday. 3 times a year he gets. It's only like $8 a bottle. Don't mind that. I had a white head and I picked at it. I stopped doing that. I got my hearing aids on. And I'm not much. Some YouTube, I think. I lost 4 more pounds, down 35 pounds altogether. Yep. I need to find out that. This is growing nicely, so look forward to my hair being black. Blonde is not working. Something I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So, yeah. And I didn't get a lamp today. And I need to get a lamp next time because my lamp, there's tape on it. And it broke. And I fixed it. But it looks tacky. And I don't like it. It's a favorite lamp I ever owned. And it looks tacky. So I need to get a new lamp. The next time I go to Walmart, I get a lamp. And my stepmom's buying me a fan and I'm paying her back. Dresser fan is what I want. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna do my walk on the ground this evening, so I feel up to it. 25-minute walk. I didn't do it yesterday, but I did it the day before. And I was exhausted. So hot out. You see the birds? I swear they're so wild and so pretty. Yeah. Have a good day, you guys.